Now have a look at this question number 30. Rahim Sheikh and Chandan Datta starts a business with the capital of 12,500 and 8,500. They contract that 40% of the profit will be equally distributed among them and the remaining part of the profit will be distributed according as the ratio of their capitals. Now they made a contract here. 40% of the profit will be divided among these two equally. Now in the last question you had this one given in terms of fraction, 2/3, 1/3, and this is also more or less same. 40% means 40 by 100, so that means it is 2 by 5, 2/5. Now here we see the part of the profit of Rahim is given as 1950, and here we do not see the total profit they earned. So now this question is also very much similar to our last question. Now in this case also we assume the total profit to be as x. Then with the help of this we can easily calculate the total profit. But here we are asked to find the profit share of Chandan Datta. So after getting the total profit we can easily calculate this. Now let's solve this question. Now look at its solution. The ratio of their capitals, Rahim Sheikh and Chandan Sheikh. Rahim contributed 12,500 and Chandan 8,500. So 2 zeros cancel, so we get 125 and 85. So here we can cancel 2 zeros, both contain 2 zeros. So this cancels by 5, 5 2s are 10, 5 5s are 25, and 5 1s are 5, 5 7s are 35. So total ratio will be this 25 plus 17 will be equal to 42, and total profit is not mentioned, so we assume it to be as x. Now we need to find out 40% of the profit. 40% means 40 by 100, which is 2/5 of the profit. Now share of each person. So here usually what we used to do is, if this particular value used to come as 1000, and if there were 2% we used to divide by 2, if there are 3% we used to divide by 3. Now here instead of doing that ways, so we can do even this way also. Since there are 2%, so we need to multiply this one by half, because each person will get half and half. If there are 3%, then you need to multiply by 1 by 3. If there are 4%, 1 by 4. But here we got only 2%, so multiply by half. So share of each person will be this. Then the remaining profit will be, total profit was x, and this they have already distributed, so this will come as 3x by 5 after LCM. Now we need to find the share of these two persons. So share of Rahim, his ratio is 25 and total ratio is 42, multiplied by this remaining profit, 3x by 5, 3x by 5 remaining profit. So after cancellation we get 5x by 14, but this both the person get money twice, from the remaining as well as from this share of each. Now he gets this much. Now from share of each, this will be also added. So after LCM you can multiply this to 70, 5 5 are 25, 15 1s are 14, so you get 39x by 70. And we do the same thing for Chandan. Share of Chandan, ratio of Chandan 17 by total ratio 42, and remaining profit is 3x by 5. So this 2 can be cancelled, so this is coming as 5 into 14, 70, and 17x by 70. So total share of Chandan will be this plus again share of each. You have to add this. So LCM of this 2 will be 70, and 70 divided by 70 is 1. Multiply this one by 1, and 70 divided by 5 will be 14. 14 1s are 14. Now adding this 2 will be this. Now this is the total share of Rahim, and this is the total share of Chandan, but this is in terms of x. We do not know the value of x. Now in order to get this value, the share of one person is given, but total share of Rahim is given as 1950. This is given in the question. That means this 1950 and this share of Rahim, this two value must be equal to each other. So you can see here. So this two value 39x by 70 must be equal to 1950. Now in order to get the value of x, so we cross multiply here, so this 39 will come down. Now if you find difficult to cancel, you can go for the shortcut, the another way, that is find the factors of big numbers. So 5 3s are 15, 5 9s are 45. So here already I could see 39, so that's why I did not use 5. So straight away I have used here 39. 39 ones are 39. So 1950 means 5 into 39 into 10, and this 70 remains as it is divided by 39. So 39 cancels. So multiplying this 5 into 10 into 70, you get 3500. So the total profit in the business was 3500. But here we are asked to find the share of Chandan, and share of Chandan. So don't make mistake here. Don't put this value. You have to put this because he is getting this also. So this will be the total share of Chandan. Now total share of Chandan will be 31x by 70. Now replace the value of x. So after replacing 0 and 0 cancel, 7 5s are 35, 0 remains. So 31 into 50 will come as 1550. This is the share of Chandan.